we're going to dive right into formulas. Now this may seem scary, but it's actually one of the most useful features of Excel. So I want to be able to calculate my profits. If I click on B4 here, this is where I'm going to be entering in my formula. Now I can enter it in the cell itself, or I can use my formula bar right up here. Every formula starts with equals, and we all know profits are earnings minus costs. Instead of typing 2,500 minus 1,000, let's go ahead and call it by their cell names. So I'm going to type in B2 minus B3. When I click off of the cell, you can see it instantly makes that calculation. The reason we use formulas is for when data changes. So let's say my costs went up that month. I'm going to go ahead and type in 1,500. Notice how it instantly changed for me. That's how a formula works. So no matter what you're referencing, if it changes, it auto changes when the calculation. I've gone through and entered in my costs for the rest of the year. Now let's say I want to calculate my profits for the rest of the year. Now we've already created a formula for profits in B4. When I click on this, I can see it equals B2 minus B3. This is right at my formula bar. Now if I wanted to go and enter in that same formula for each individual cell, I can't exactly say B2 minus B3 because this is not B2 and this is not B3. Instead, what I could do is copy my formula over with new references. So I'm going to take my mouse pointer and put it in the bottom right hand corner. You get the skinny cross, and I'm going to click and drag. What this will do is copy my formula. And so when I click on C4, you can see it's auto changed my reference. So it's C2 minus C3. That gives me the accurate profits for February as opposed to January. So instead, I can't say B2 minus B3. Again, it's C2 minus C3.